I always get asked when I'm traveling solo, where do I usually stay? And last year I mostly stayed in Airbnbs only because of the pandemic. A lot of places were shut down. So this is a completely new world these days. So I'm back to staying in hostels, and occasionally I do stay in Airbnbs. The main reason that I stay in hostels is because it's easier to meet people, because by nature I'm an introvert. I won't put myself out there. So this kind of is one of those challenges, like I force myself into situations that I know I will have to socialize. So that is why I stay in hostels, and I don't always stay in them. Sometimes I do need like a week or two just to decompress, because when you're around a lot of people and you are an introvert, it's really kind of tough if you don't protect your energy. So I'm staying in this hostel. It's really cool. It's called YOLO Hostel in Medellin, Colombia. So I made it to Colombia, for those who have been following me and kind of know. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my hostel that I'm staying at for the past 5 days in Medellin, Colombia. The cost for me was 21,000 pesos, which is, I'll put it on screen how much it was because I can't remember. And I did get it on a deal, like that they're no longer offering. I have no idea how that happened, but so it was 105 pesos for the entire stay. On Sunday I will be leaving here and going to the countryside. As much as I love being in Medellin, I prefer to be in the country. So this is just a quick little tour of where I'm staying, and there's, in my room, there's 8 beds. I'm the only girl, which is fine, I don't care. I'm probably also the oldest, so if you're like fearful of traveling and staying in hospitals because you're older, don't. No one cares, like no one cares. So it's just a different kind of life. You just have to get used to it, because age really is irrelevant. It doesn't matter. As long as if you want to do something, you should go out and do it no matter what. So that's my little rant, and I hope you enjoy this little tour of the hostel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe. So this first is my bed. So I'll start the tour. This is my bed. Luckily I'm on the bottom. No one's above me. The beds are not super comfortable, kind of hard, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I can basically sleep anywhere. 2 people from Bogota are staying here. They're super nice. They are DJs, and I really like it because they're starting their own like company, and it's so cool to be around other people who are starting their own thing. So it's awesome.